Another session management function available is the ability to back up a session. This can be useful after you've created a session to back it up just in case anything goes wrong. To do this, go to Open Existing Session on the TriCaster home screen, then select your session on the right side, and finally click where it says Manage Session and choose the option Backup Session. It's going to open an Explorer window and it is asking for a destination, and you can back up anywhere the TriCaster has access to. I'm going to back up to my D drive into a folder called Backup. And when you hit Select Folder, it will start copying all this information into that destination. This is going to create a zip file of everything, not only the session data, but also any recorded media or imported media. So these files can become quite large if you have imported lots of material into the system. Now, to restore a session, that can be done from this same interface. Go to Open Existing Session. Then you'll see an option under each drive letter on the right side that says Restore Backup Session. You do not have to restore the session to the same drive letter that it was backed up from. It will make sure that all the file paths work when the session is restored. So you just press this button, find your zip file, hit open, and this will restore the content back into your TriCaster system.